In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Georgia visa step by step. Let's get on. This is the official website for Georgia visa. Select your country, select your passport type and purpose as tourism. Over here, I'm keeping this as is because I don't have any other residence permit. Click next and it will take you to page 2. And on page 2, choose your arrival date and click next. Read all the points here and click next. It will take you to page 3, which you will need to fill as per your passport. Once you fill all the details, double check everything. And then, if you are traveling with someone, click this option. I was entering solo, so I'm not selecting this. And now upload scan of your passport. Click next and it will take you to next page where you can check all the data. Make sure it matches your passport. Scroll down and click verify and they will send you an email with the payment link. Visa fees is $20 and once you pay it, you will receive another email with a link from Do Verify. Click the link and upload all the required documents. You will have 24 hours to upload. Do Verify also has processing fees which is approximately $16. Keep all the documents ready. Once you pay the fees, you will have 24 hours to upload all the documents. After you pay the fees, it will take you to next page where you will need to upload all the documents. You will need a scanned passport copy, PDF of 6 months bank statement. You will also need to link your ITR and Aadhaar. Now you're done with the visa application. There are few things you should know before you apply for Georgia visa. Number 1, make sure you have sufficient bank balance and also carry some US dollar and euros with you while entering Georgia. The immigration officer did ask me how much money do I have in hand with me even after giving all the proof of funds when I was applying for the visa. So I think that's perks of having an Indian passport. Number 2, if you're traveling solo, be prepared to get a lot of questioning by the immigration officers while you're entering Georgia. My family, which was traveling before me, they were not asked a single question. When I was entering, they did ask me a lot of questions regarding my proof of funds, purpose of stay, and the reason of coming to Georgia. Number 3, locals in Georgia can come across as a bit rude and shrewd. There was an experience with me where I was walking on the streets of Tbilisi and I was with my mom and one of the tour guide which was selling tours on the street, he started abusing me. I don't know why because there was no interaction between me and him. I was just walking by. One tip is to avoid them, ignore them and don't start the exchange. Just keep walking. Number 4, follow the rules strictly. A simple mistake like jaywalking can cost you about $25. Saying with an experience. Number 5, always carry Forex card with you. The bathrooms are not free, but they don't accept cash, so you have to pay via card. And if you don't have card, you might not be able to access the bathroom. So yeah. Number 6, euros have a better exchange rate than US dollars, so if you can, carry euros with you and not dollars. I love making videos like this which can help you in some way. If this video helped you, click like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye.